taking you through my mom's pantry organization today. As you can see, this is the before footage I have, and it was such a mess. We were laughing because I don't think this pantry has been organized for many years, and so we wanted to get it into order and make it a lot more easy and accessible for my parents. If you don't know or haven't watched my channel before, I start every project by removing everything first. That way you can get a clear look at what you're working with. My mom technically doesn't have a designated pantry, so she uses these cupboards as her pantry, and it works for them. It's just them two in the house, so they don't need a ton of space. But this is perfect for anyone that lives in a small apartment, doesn't have a lot of room to work with. I hope this is helpful for you. Once you have everything cleaned and wiped down, you can take inventory of the items that you're going to be putting back into your cabinets. I suggested, since these cabinets were really old, that we cover them with contact paper. So we got this contact paper from the Dollar Tree. It's just a neutral marbled texture, and I love the way it looked. I thought it really cleaned up the space, and that way any marks or scuffs were completely hidden now. After that, we took a trip to Walmart and got all the things necessary for the pantry. She really needed new food storage containers. She hadn't got new ones, I think, since the time I was born, so it was definitely time for a change. We love these ones from Walmart. They're really inexpensive, but also very effective, and they look really nice. These white plastic bins are from Target, and you get a set of 2 for $2. So again, very inexpensive. We wanted to keep this project as budget friendly as possible. We started with the bottom shelf, and the plastic bins fit 4 across, so it ended up fitting great. And she put all of her oils in 2 of the bins, and then on the other 2 bins, she put her vinegars, and then a miscellaneous of peanut butter, maple syrup, different glazes, stuff like that. You want to make sure you put all of the things you use the most frequently towards the front, because that is what you're going to be reaching for the most. I found these cool clear organizers at the Dollar Tree. I was originally using them for my pantry, but she needed something for the top and bottom row of these cupboards, and these ended up fitting perfect. So she's putting her cereal, chips, different popcorn, and miscellaneous items in these. For the food storage containers we got at Walmart, we put a bunch of different things in them, things that they use quite often. I love that they're clear so you can see exactly what's inside. So waffle mix, flour, sugar, brown sugar, all of the baking essentials, different pastas, and I find this part so satisfying. I love watching things pour into bins. I don't know what it is. It's very therapeutic for me, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. She did end up restocking most of the items in her pantry, so what we thought we would do is put the date or the year at the bottom of the food storage containers. That way she knows or has a general idea of when these items will expire. Most things keep for a really long time in the pantry, so we put 2020 on the bottom. But you can put, of course, the exact date if you feel more comfortable doing that. Now it was time to start organizing the top cupboard. This is really fun to do. I love seeing my mom so happy. She gets just as excited as I do whenever we are organizing things, so it's fun to do it together. She had already had this tiered tray, which was perfect for organizing all of her cans. She said she thinks she got it at Home Goods, but it could have been Target as well, but I'm sure you can get them anywhere on Amazon. She doesn't bake very often, so we put all of those things that she doesn't use or reach for, like candles, food coloring, cupcake liners, marshmallows, things like that, at the very top. I think we could both both agree that this was probably our favorite part of the project, seeing it all come together. We got these labels off of Amazon. They come in a huge pack, basically every label you could ever need. There were even things on it that I had no idea what they even were, but we put them on all of the food storage containers, and she did make a few of her own just because they didn't have those specific words. So you can do that as well. She just printed out pieces of paper and then stuck them on some black cardboard paper and called it good. This is the transformation of how it turned out in the end. She is so happy with it, and I love that everything has a place. As always, organizing is so satisfying for me to do, but also to watch. So I hope you guys found some inspiration in this. If you're not subscribed or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kelsey. I would love if you considered subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up or comment down below if you did like it. It really does help out my channel. I would seriously appreciate the support. I'm so grateful for you guys, and I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
No, it's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else. Getting